Suddenly, one day, all the MRI machines in your city shut down, or the production of new smartphones stops forever. And the culprit behind this is not some war or pandemic, but a very common gas used to float balloons, helium. Balloons floating at a birthday party or a toy in a child's hand, to us, helium means nothing more than a piece of entertainment. But what if this highly familiar gas disappears from the Earth forever? What happens then? Without helium, today's modern medical science is paralyzed. In an instant, MRI scanners, the primary tool for diagnosing diseases for billions of people worldwide, would stop working. This is because keeping the superconducting magnets of these machines functional requires an extreme cooling temperature of -268 degrees Celsius, which only liquid helium on Earth can provide. There is no alternative to it. Not just hospitals, but without helium, the world's semiconductor and microchip industries will also grind to a halt. The production lines for smartphones, computers, or artificial intelligence supercomputers, everything will become stagnant. In space research, helium is indispensable for pressurizing rocket fuel tanks and keeping spacecraft cool. Giants like NASA and SpaceX are entirely dependent on this gas. The most terrifying truth is, helium is a non-renewable resource. Although it is abundant in the universe, it is extremely rare on Earth. Once this gas, naturally produced deep underground, is released into the air, Earth's gravity cannot hold on to it. It vanishes straight into outer space. It can never be brought back by any technology whatsoever. The intensity rising slowly. We are moving very fast towards one of the biggest crises in human history, which could plunge our advanced civilization back into the dark ages of technology. Is mankind ready to prevent this invisible disaster?